New York City is always on the go, and everything moves fast. Unfortunately, this type of lifestyle creates a large number of motorcycle fatalities. Teaching better safety habits on the road when interacting with motorcycles is imperative for both riders and regular automobile drivers. Often studies have found that these accidents were the fault of the motorist not yielding the right-of-way to the rider on the motorcycle. If you or a loved one has been injured or killed in a motorcycle accident, don't trust the insurance companies to do right by you. With years of experience, we have recovered millions of dollars for our clients. Our representatives are available 24/7 to take your calls. We are here to help. Cellino Law. Trust. Experience. Success.